Good afternoon, everyone. David Paul speaking. It's 10 past 2. It's just before the American Open. I'm looking at VectorVest USA. And on VectorVest USA, VectorVest advocates buying safe, undervalued stocks that are rising in price at this time. The short-term trend of the market is up. The longer-term trend of the market is up. And I did a video about a week ago on 4 short-term, maybe spread betting opportunities. I want to look at one of those again today, and that is Nvidia. It's on VectorVest. It's got a relative value of 1.41, and that means, ladies and gentlemen, that it should outperform a AAA rated corporate bond by 41% over a window of 3 years into the future. The relative safety at 1.37 is excellent. This company's got an excellent track record of making money. All the financial ratios and measurements are getting better. The relative timing at 1.28 telling us that the share price is rising, with an excellent master indicator of 1.35, which is relative value, relative safety, and relative timing all rolled into the one single indicator called VST. It's on a buy recommendation. Stop loss is at 230, and we believe it's going to grow earnings next year at 29%, which is quite a clip. Now, I've already loaded the chart, and the chart, as you can see, there's earnings per share, and this is automatically plotted on VectorVest. You don't have to sort of plow through around the internet to find these numbers. Earnings per share rising from $3 to $5 over the last year. That's the engine that's driving this share price, folks. It came back to this long-term support line, and a very strong move up the page, and it's pulled back in a formation that technicians refer to as a falling wedge. And it broke out of that wedge the other day. It's on a buy recommendation on VectorVest. It broke out of the wedge during the situation in Italy. It came back a tad and then charted a doji candle. It then had an up day yesterday, and it closed above the high of the doji, which is always a good sign. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this distance should be repeated, and that would be the measured move. So from up there down till here, so that would be a move from let's say 212, we'll call it 210, a $50 move. That would take us up to 290 odd on this particular share. So I think that assuming the general market can keep going, and I did a video on that yesterday, that this share can break higher and break higher very quickly indeed. Have a great trading day. Bye now.